Well, where can I take you, Miss Johnson?
To First Methodist.
Right, First Methodist.
Yeah, we're going to the Pancake Social. Yeah. There's a Pancake Social there. You were invited, you know, but you didn't.
Was I?
Yeah, your mom told me that you didn't answer the phone, so. Are you still going to church?
Sunday is a big taxi day. Extra income for my family. You know, gotta provide for my family. I feel like that's the #1 rule.
The day of the Lord is a day that you should not be working. I mean, you're picking me up today, so that tells me a lot about, you know, how you feel about God. I guess it's okay.
Well, of course it's okay.
Yeah. You know, in like a sinful kind of way. So you like pancakes? Are you going to come to the church for the Pancake Social? Oh no, you don't go to church because you might be an antichrist.
Well, no,
I don't even know.
I'm currently working. People need to get places.
Yeah.
I mean, if I wasn't working, you couldn't even go either.
Absolutely. I don't judge. It is not my place to judge.
Yeah,
I am not a judger. You know, I noticed that you kind of went through that stop sign kind of quick there. I'm not judging. I'm not judging.
Just really want to get you to this church as fast as I can.
Oh, thank you so much. You know, I still go and I support.
Great.
You know, if you'd like me to drop off your donation to the church, I will do that for you. I will take it. I will put it right in that envelope for you. You will let me use that money to support God.
Fine. Fine. Fine.
I knew that young Christian boy was in there still.
You take a shot, son.